To develop for the future, we always build on past experiences. When upgrading our products, no improvement is too small. No detail is overlooked. This has led to some great innovations over the years, like iShift, Turbo Compound, and Volvo Dynamic Steering. Now we've taken it to the next level. Get ready for first-class energy performance and drivability as a result of updating our engine range and drivelines. We give you the improved
D13 Turbo Compound,
D13 ESCR,
D11 ESCR,
iShift for D16,
iShift for D13,
iShift for D11.
iTalk with IC.
We give you fuel efficiency, performance, and drivability. There is something for everyone. All segments, all needs. So let's take the next step together on our continuous journey to drive progress.